Previously, I made a video talking about why new trucks might be better. Well, now let's talk about why old rigs are better. These trucks embody the history of the trucking business and features of the bygone era. These trucks were designed by companies that knew that their customers needed to be able to work on their own trucks, and even so today, parts are cheap and accessible compared to the modern day counterparts, and they're easier to replace. But there's one thing that you can never forget. It's the sound of a roaring E9 V8 or the screaming of a 92 Series Detroit.